At some point, it just seemed to be piling up, that they are just being unreasonable with the amount of requests. We have a lot of other things to do.
I'm doing everything that I can, so why is she not understanding, or why is she not helping?
How come they didn't notify me if I'm basically almost the only person in the company that should know that difference?
They're just complicating my work, and it's not helping the users, it's not helping me, it's not helping our company, I thought it was not helping anyone except themselves.
We're so incredibly busy, things work at a very fast pace at Outfit 7.
If they have no interest and are not performing, we still need to let them go.
Because sometimes it's just my understanding, my perception that's wrong. And when I discuss and I'm open to discussion, I see that it's maybe not the way I thought it was.
The biggest impact that Arbinger has on us is that we are colleagues, not just co-workers.
There's always some co-workers you won't be seeing eye to eye with and won't get along so well because people are so different. That's the time where something like Arbinger helps you to go past that and to focus on work again.
All too often, you do see a colleague as a means to an end or as a way to get from A to B.
To believe and to realize that there is really something bigger than behavior.
We just didn't know how to tell it in a simple way.
Actually, it's not something that would be new to you, but sometimes it opens a different perspective of how you look at things.
If you are in the center of collaboration diagram and if you perceive people as people, not as obstacles, you should understand their objectives and you should help them to achieve those objectives.
When I help others, they are more prepared to help me as well.
People started to look around them and to see if somebody needs help. Before, maybe it was just my tasks.
A request comes from what I would have previously said an obscure department, an obscure request about this and that. And before I would just brush it off, I would say, this is not important. Why are you bothering me? I'm here making our next product. Can't you see this is more important? Now I don't see it like this anymore. I see, okay, these guys obviously want to get something done, something valuable for the company. Maybe it's not as important as I think my work is, but it's obviously important to them, so I'll do the extra mile today. I'll do this. The time that I was previously using for getting upset about it is usually the time that it takes to get it done.
Getting to the result is more efficient. In turn, we do more things.
Getting on the right path, it's much easier.
The culture now at our company is that people are not afraid to ask for help.
Outfit 7 is one of those companies that actually is very keen to foster a culture throughout its organisation, and to have the same process undertaken by everybody in the company, I think is really valuable.
On a long term, people are more effective, people are more responsible, people also develop themselves. It's good for them as well for the company.
The eye-opener was that you don't treat people as objects, you treat them as people. Once you have this knowledge, you can never unthink it.